Welcome to HeatSign. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to mark a data matrix code on a wooden board using our dual laser marking machine. Step 1. Turn the emergency stop switch and power on the system. Step 2. Open the marking software and create your data matrix content. Choose the appropriate data matrix format. Step 4. Select the Blu-ray laser optimized for wood surfaces. Then, set the correct marking parameters: power, speed, and frequency. Step 5. Place the wooden board in position and press Start to begin the marking process. Here's the result: a clear and scannable data matrix code marked directly on wood. Need high contrast, permanent marking on wooden surfaces? Contact HeatSign to get your ideal marking solution today.